Alright, so I'm in Tokyo and I got these oranges here. Okay, so these are Japanese oranges, and let's open this up and I'll show you what it looks like. Hopefully I can get one of those. So as you can see, here's a label there. I don't know what it says, but let's open this up and I'll do a quick taste test. Alright, so here are the oranges, as you can see. Has a nice orange aroma, just peeled, so. Wow, these are good. They are super sweet. They're not sour whatsoever. And when you bite into the flesh, it's full of juice. Really good. If you guys are ever in Japan, this is something to try. If you have any questions or comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.